Hello students, welcome to the first video of this new playlist. So in this playlist, I will upload solution videos of each of the questions from this one of the recent past paper of Pure Mathematics 1, that is May 2023 Pure Mathematics P1 paper. So this is the first video of this playlist. So in this video, we will be solving the first question from the P1 May 2023 paper. So let's get started with question number 1. So here in number 1, it is asking to solve the inequality for x squared negative 3x plus 7 greater than or equal for x plus 9. Okay, so this is basically a quadratic inequality. We need to solve this quadratic inequality. So let's start. What we can do at first, we can take all the terms on the same side. So 4x squared negative 3x plus 7 negative 4x negative 9 greater than or equal 0. Okay, so 4x squared, it is a single term, negative 3x negative 4x, that would give you negative 7x, and then plus 7 negative 9, which is negative 2 greater than or equal 0. Fine. So this is the simplified quadratic inequality we found from the given one. Now what we need to do is that we need to get the critical values. Okay, so for solving a quadratic inequality, we always need to find out the critical values, and then we will find out the range of possible values of x. Okay, so at what critical values or critical points, what we will consider the solution for x squared negative 7x negative 2 equals to 0. This is the solution, isn't it? Okay, so now, so if you solve for x, what we can do here is that we can do the middle term. So 4 times 2, it is 8. So negative 8x plus x minus 2 equals to what? 0. Now from there, take 4x common, so you will get x minus 2, and from x minus 2 take 1 common, so you will have x minus 2 factor. So the two possible critical values here, we got x equals to negative 1 over 4 or x equals 2. So we got the critical values. Now it's time to consider the sketch. Okay, so why do we need to consider the sketch? We need the sketch to understand the range of values of x. Okay, so here consider the equation. The equation is 4x squared negative 7x minus 2. So the coefficient of x squared, it is basically positive. Since it's positive, that means it has a minimum turning point. So it will be U-shaped curve. So it will be like this. Like this. Okay, it's just a sketch, so not need to be perfect. So this is x equals to negative 1 over 4, and this is x equals to 2. Now consider the simplified inequality. The simplified inequality says what? 4x squared negative 7x minus 2 greater than or equal 0. That means we need to consider the values of x such that the quadratic curve that we have sketched just now, it will be above the x-axis. Greater than or equal 0, this means what? Above the x-axis. So which part of the curve is above the x-axis? This part, and this part. So since these two parts are above the x-axis, so these two parts can be found for which x values? For x values greater than or equal to, or the x value is less than or equal what? Negative 1 over 4. Why I said or? Because they don't have common. That's why it will be what? Union, or otherwise you have to say or. Union or. Okay, so solution, they ask for the not the solution, 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 it's what? X less than or equal negative 1 over 4 or x greater than or equal 2. That's it. That's the answer for the first question of May 2023 P1 paper.